today I thought I'd show you how to make a coming soon or like a sneak peek type post so that you can use it for cover reveals, or sometimes you can just make your book cover with this kind of sneak peek image. Okay, so open a new file. I'm just going to use the one that's already open and go to Elements, Frames, and you get all of these things which are frames. So this kind of weird landscape that's exactly the same, that's a frame. If you scroll down far enough, you should get to the letters. There we go. So let's do a simple word because these are fiddly to do. So L-O-O. K, where's the K gone? Did I miss it? Yes, I did. There we go. Okay. So So that's the word look. Now, in order to get them to tidy up a bit, you select them all and go to position and tidy up, and they line up beautifully. And then if you want to make them bigger or smaller, it's best to group them all together and make them bigger or smaller so that they all move in the same proportions. Okay, so now what you could do is you could write coming soon or sneak peek or anything like that. So once you've got your word, you now need to put your picture in the frame. So I'm going to go and find my book cover. Okay, here we go. Here's Picture Perfect. Drag that in, and I'm going to drop it into each of the frames. So same picture in each of the frames. Okay, right. Now we need to make it so that they're all the same size and you just see one continuous picture. So you go to the first picture, double click on it, and then stretch it and stretch it and stretch it and stretch it until it is the same width as all of the writing. Okay, now then, which pitch do we want people to see? Let's have a look. The two characters like that, okay? Now you do the same for the next one. And stretch it out until it's the width of the thing. And once you get to here, you line up those bits there. It needs to be slightly smaller, I think. So it is, like I said, a bit fiddly. There you go. And now you can see that the picture is lining up behind it perfectly. I'll do the same for the other two, and then I will come back. There we go. And now you can see that the picture at the back is peering out of the picture at the front, and you can make the front a different color to give a sneak preview of your book cover. As always, if you find these tutorials useful, please like and subscribe and share everywhere. Tell your friends. It would really help me. Yeah, I hope you find this useful next time you have to do a cover reveal.